Hello everyone. Today's presentation is on different type of gene editing tools and its function that's included transcription activator like effector nucleases, that is talents, target drones, RNAi silencing. We will discuss on talents, that is transcription activator like effector nucleases. It employs a similar platform to that of ZFN except that ZF proteins are replaced by 14 to 24 talents, each of which specifically recognize a 1BP oligonucleotide through the different base specificity of the repeat variable diresidue. Repeat variable diresidue or RVD. A protein based DNA targeting system, talents are another type of engineered nuclease that exhibit better specificity and efficiency than ZFNs. Similar to ZFNs, talents comprise a non specific DNA cleavage domain focused on to a customizable sequence specific DNA binding domain to generate DSB, that is double strand breaks. This DNA binding domain consists of highly conserved repeat sequence from transcription activator like effector, that is TALE, which is protein originally discovered in the phytopathogenic Xanthomonas bacteria that naturally alter the transcriptions of gene in host plant cell. The binding of tail to DNA is mediated by central region that contain an array of 33 to 35 amino acid sequence motif. Functional endonuclease focal is factiously focused first fuse to DNA binding domains to create site specific DSP and thereby stimulate DNA recombination to achieve talents induced targeted genomic modification. To cleave two strands of targeted DNA, the focal cleavage domain must be dimerized. Hence, like zinc fingers such as talent module is designed in pair to bind opposing DNA target loci with proper spacing, that is 12 to 30 BP between two binding sites. This figure indicated that transcription activator like effector nucleases, that is talents. Now, this figure indicated that how talents work. Now we will discuss on targetrons. Targetron system to efficiently makes large targeted genomics deletions and insertions using the model Clostridium phytofermentans. The targetron is a ribonucleoprotein particle that consists of engineered group 2 intron RNA lariat molecule and a multi-domain group 2 intron encoded protein transcriptase, which has been used for mutagenesis of bacterial gene. DNA target site specificity of several mobile group 2 introns, allowing them to make into targetrons. Targetron functions for gene targeting in a wide variety of bacteria and typically integrate at efficiencies high enough to screen easily by colony PCR without the need for selectable markers. Now here the mechanisms of targetrons like this. Targetron have found wide application in microbiological research, enabling gene targeting, genetic engineering of bacteria that has been intractable to other methods. Now we will discuss on RNAi silencing, sometimes known as small interfering RNA, that is siRNA or silencing RNA, is a class of double-stranded RNA non-coding RNA molecule, typically 20 to 27 base pair in length, similar to miRNA, and operating within the RNA interference RNAi pathway. RNA interference is a biological process in which RNA molecules inhibit gene expressions or translation by neutralizing targeted mRNA molecules. RNAi silencing or siRNAs can be designed to target any transcript at almost any locus. Although some sites are predicted to be more effective based on factors such as distance from transcription start site, nucleotide compositions, and secondary structure in target site. RNA interference exploit the endogenous system for miRNA induced gene silencing to artificially inhibit gene expression via transcriptional regulations. Short RNA can be introduced to the cell as either shRNA, short hairpin RNA, or siRNA, that is a small interfering RNA. Both shRNA and siRNA are approx 21 base pair long and are designed to have complementary to the target mRNA. shRNA are dsRNA that contain a loop structure and are processed into siRNA by the host enzyme dicer. siRNA and dsRNA containing 23 N overhangs. After processing, one strand of siRNA will be loaded into the RISC RNA-induced silencing complex. The siRNA will bind to its target based on complementarity. If the binding between the siRNA and the mRNA is perfect, the RISC, that is RISC, will cleave the mRNA. If the binding is not perfect, it will cause translational inhibition, but no mRNA cleavage will occur. The RNAi machinery can be hijacked by introducing synthetic small RNA into cells. This is commonly achieved using short interfering RNA, that is siRNA, or short hairpin RNA. The result from either approach is similar, such as introduced RNA is loaded into the RNA-induced silencing complex, which is in turn promote the degradations of perfectly complementary targets mRNA. Using this approach, target mRNA and subsequently target protein level can be reduced post-transcriptionally. This is how RNAi pathway. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, that is Sandwich Biotech.